Can you run an air conditioner on solar power? Solar power has become increasingly popular in recent years. Advances in technology and a growing awareness of environmental impacts of standard electricity has seen consumers becoming more conscious of their power choices. These technological leaps forward have meant that solar power has become far cheaper and that the average customer is better able to afford to take advantage of solar energy. Another huge benefit is that using solar power can make your electricity bills cheaper. So can you run an air conditioner on solar power? We'll answer this question below. What is solar power? Solar power, as the name suggests, is derived from the sun. Our sun produces a near immeasurable amount of heat and energy that can be stored by special panels and converted into electricity. Previously, this kind of innovation almost felt like science fiction, but steady research has turned this marvelous theory into reality. Solar panels are placed on the roof of your home to catch the sun's rays, storing the energy they emit. These panels are connected to special converters which take this energy and turn it into power for your home. How does solar power work at night? At night, or on particularly overcast days, when the sun's rays are not beaming directly onto your solar panels, your solar energy system will make use of previously stored energy. Of course, if you experience a significant length of time where your panels see very little or none of the sun's rays, for example, throughout winter, this stored energy will eventually run out and your home will revert to using power from the electricity grid. Can I use solar to power my entire home? In theory, this is absolutely possible, but will ultimately depend on the power needs of your residence. For most average homes, to ensure uninterrupted power, a combination of solar power and standard electricity is required. For those considering switching to solar to take themselves off the grid, you should be aware that this is rarely a viable option. The sun may be incredibly powerful, but the technology to harness this power is still developing. Solar panels and converters have come a long way, however they are yet to be able to capture and store sufficient energy to power an entire home all year round. Can you run an air conditioner on solar power? Solar power can be used to run any electrical appliance. The technology that goes into making solar power possible is complicated, but as a user it's remarkably simple. To make use of solar power within your home, once you have your solar system installed, all you need to do is run your electrical items as normal. Just plug them in, and they will work, seeking to use the solar energy first, and then reverting to electrical grid power once that runs out. You should experience a seamless flow of power between solar and standard electricity. The really good news here is that, because you're more likely to use your air conditioner in summer, it means that once you have a solar system installed it will probably run almost entirely on solar power. This is because the sun is out far more during summer, which means your panels will be catching more rays, and therefore your converter will be creating more solar power. Air conditioners can sometimes be costly to run on electricity, so if you reside in a particularly warm climate that gets a lot of sun, you would be very well placed to look into solar technology for your home.